Chicago is June's.
June's, okay.
Alright. And check this out. What we got going on. Here's the right elevation of the property. You got a couple hits right here. Gutter. Got another impact right here. This is all mechanical, not damaged. Another nice one right there. Let's see what we got in the back. See, like we look for like grills like this, covers that do get impacted, but this one ain't too hit. This is all mechanical. Grill cover, grills. Look for impacts on it. There's nothing. This one's clean. Hail wasn't too big in this area. Here's a good one. Another downspout. Did get hit. Oh, found one. There's one right there on a downspout. Nice impact. Got a little bit of spatter on the fence. Nothing crazy. What is there? Now we're gonna go to the front elevation. This is what they call a shed in the rear elevation of the home. We're gonna go to the left now. See what we got. House is all brick. Ain't gonna be no hits on there, but look. Got impacted from the hail. Got holes everywhere. See what we got here. Here's a good one. Tells me it came more for the left than the right elevation based on what I seen here. Boom. Here's another one. Time to get up on the roof, see what we find up there. So we see some on the metal, so we're gonna check up the roof. See what type of damages we got up there on this 25-year-old shingle. Looks like it's seen better days. This is one of the cheapest shingles. It looks like it's got 2 layers. Here's one, the starter course, and the 3 tab. And we got another second layer. So we got about 40 years worth of shingles up here. 20 on top and 20 on the bottom. Blown tabs. Wind damage. Exposure to the decking to the point where it's going to go through. Some old school valleys, they used raw roofing as a valley barrier for it. Wind damage everywhere. That's what they call an attic fan. That looks like it's seen better days. It's done for it to go.